Hello friends, welcome to our channel. You are watching Google Tech India 1.0. In this video, I am going to explain how can we promote our YouTube videos on Facebook. When you are promoting your videos, you can open your YouTube channel account and then copy the link, the video which you want to promote on Facebook. Once you copy the link, then open your Facebook account right now. Once you open the Facebook account, you can able to see the create post on your Facebook account. Then face there and then type the title which you want to give the title for those videos. Give the attractive title for that video. Okay, once you have done, then you can click the share options on the right hand side top corner. You can see here promote boost videos. Click on that option, then you can able to see these interface on your Facebook. You can see here get more website visitors, show your ads people who likely to click on your URL. Click that option. Okay, I highly recommend you to click that option. Don't click below. There are two options are there, don't click on that. Then select the budget you want to spend for that video for the promotions on the Facebook. Today I have selected 200 rupees. I'm ready to spend around 200 rupees to promote this video on the Facebook. If I spend 200 rupees, I can get around 1400k impression, not a click. Okay, if people are really interested to watch this video, they may click on that video, so I can get more views for this video, friends. Okay, just select the duration. At least you need to spend 5 days after promoting your videos on the Facebook. Then select the payment method. If you have the taxation number, you can fill up those details on the given description box. After you have done, you can come to the business name and address section, then type the details they need to fill up in this description box. They have asked to write us to about our addresses, where we are living and which states we are living. All the informations they want to know before promoting our videos on the Facebook. Okay, once you have done these process, then tap on the continue option. Just you can see here, if you are struggling to get a views for your YouTube channel videos, you can follow the simple tricks. Okay, now I'm selecting the states where I'm living. Then you can write your uh, pin code, then tap on continue option. You can see here country India and payment methods. They are giving 5 options: UPI, debit card, credit card and Paytm. I'm selecting here Paytm for the payment method. Before going to proceed, just we can read it, the message they have displayed here. Today I'm spending around 200 rupees for the promoting our videos on Facebook. Let's see how much views we will get from these Facebook ads. Already we have explained how to promote our videos on the Google ads. If you don't see that video yet, please go and visit us our channel. You can see all those videos on the playlist. You can write your mobile number which is associated with the Paytm account. Then you will receive the one-time password for the registered Paytm mobile. You can copy that one-time password and then put it the given description box. Here I will show you how I have done the payment process. Then type the uh, password for the payment to proceed the payment. You can see here there are multiple options are there. just type your password to proceed the payment further. Okay, once you have done this process, the payment will be successful. Let's see. Yes, the payment successful. Congratulations, your transaction has succeeded. Okay, you need to wait at least a few seconds to complete this payment process on the Facebook. Okay, yes, ready for the payment. Okay, the payment method has been successful. Now you can see your payment balance money on your Facebook account. You can see here the available balance is 199.9 rupees. They will take some tax, at least 36 rupees. If you want to add more money, you can click on the available balance, then follow the same process which we have followed earlier. Okay, I believe that this video may be very useful to you if you are the new YouTuber, if you are struggling to get the views for your YouTube videos, friends. I will show you the results after 5 days, how much views I got and how many subscribers I have received after promoting the video on the Facebook. Thank you so much for watching our videos. If you don't yet subscribe our channel, please subscribe and then press the bell icon. Thank you so much, friends, for watching.